Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. This petition has been filed under section 439 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for grant of regular bail to the petitioner registered under section 21 of the NDPS Act 1985 at Police Station City Kharar District Mohali, Punjab. Learned counsel for the petitioner relies upon the order dated 16 January 2021, wide which three of the co-accused, namely Neelu, Ravi Verma, were granted the concession of regular bail by this court. Learned counsel for the petitioners submit that the FIR was registered on the complaint given by ASI with the allegations that while on patrol duty for checking suspected persons, a secret information was received that Ravi Verma and Uttam are doing the business of selling intoxicant substances and they are coming together in a car bearing registration white colored Swift car, and if barrier is laid they can be apprehended with heroin. On receiving the information, a Rukka was sent to the police station and case was registered. Thereafter, barrier was laid and the police stopped a car bearing registration number 0843 and from its dashboard 300 grams of heroin was recovered. It is further stated that driver and owner of the car is Anjul, whereas both petitioners Ravi Verma were co-passengers in the same. Thereafter, on the same day at same place, another car bearing registration number PB7002 was also stopped, which was driven by co-accused Dalvinder Singh and petitioner Neelu was sitting on the co-driver seat, and from dashboard of the car 1 kg of heroin and rupees 1 lakh drug money was recovered. It is common argument on behalf of all the petitioners that they are first offenders and are not involved in any other case. It is further submitted that petitioner Neelu is in custody for the last 10 months and 17 days. Petitioner Ravi Verma is in custody for the last 1 year and 2 days, and petitioner Parvar Singh is in custody for the last 1 year, 2 months and 8 days as per the custody certificates filed in the court today. It is also submitted that challan has already been presented and till date charges have not been framed. Therefore, it will take long time in conclusion of the trial. In reply, learned State Counsel has submitted that recovery was effected in presence of DSP. However, it is not disputed that owner cum driver of car. Learned State Counsel could not dispute that all three petitioners are not involved in any other case. However, it is submitted that co-accused Dalvinder Singh is involved in as many as 7 FIRs, and on his disclosure statement as well as petitioner Neelu, one more person namely was also nominated, and after his arrest 2 kg and 200 grams of heroin was recovered. After hearing learned counsel for the parties without commenting anything on merits of the case and considering the fact that the petitioners are first offenders, they are in long custody, challan stands presented, charges are yet to be framed. Stop.